If you guys want to see how I went from this wild, crazy mess to this cute civilian military bun, then keep on watching. What is up to my Curl Mafia squad? It's your girl, Inhale My Curls, back in the cut with another video. Stay tuned. Things you will need. You will need about at least 3 scrunchies or hair ties. You're going to need a jumbo comb or any type of comb method that you use to detangle your hair. You're going to need a bristle brush, followed by some scissors. And the last important thing, you're going to need some socks. I am using some black socks just so that it will blend in with my hair color. Preferably use socks that blend in with your hair because you do not want this to pop through or your hair to come off. And I will eventually show you how I cut the bottom of my socks. And then lastly, your favorite gel. I've been in love with the Eco Styling Gel despite all that's been going on trending. Feel free to swap out your gel for whatever preference you prefer. So to start this process, I do have a plain black sock. It's an old sock that had some holes in it, so you're going to get the tip of the sock where your toes are, and you're just going to snip across and cut that part off. You will not need that little small piece of the toe part, so you can throw that part in the trash can, but this is what your sock should look like. And then next we're going to start our donut. You're going to get the top of the sock and you're going to fold it down like you're folding down a regular sock. And once you get that first crease, you're just going to continue doing this exact same process over and over again. I will eventually show you how big your bun is. The more socks you use, the bigger the bun. If your hair is shorter, feel free to use less amount of socks. So let's go ahead and zip through this part.
Sitting here thinking about it yesterday. About what we did and how we used to play. But the thought of you brings a smile upon my face. It's how it makes me feel to see you every day. Oh, yeah. Nobody knows what we do. You don't wanna take my hand to that special place. Stars come to life and dreams come true. Ooh.
So to start this process, let me go ahead and let y'all know this is a judgment-free zone. I don't want to hear no comments about my hair. I know it is wild. So now that I got that out, let's go ahead and start by doing a center part. This has become one of my favorite type of parts. And I will also go ahead and comb back my edges and my baby hairs because I want to do this entire process with you guys to show you how I do slick down my edges. And once I get my center part, I am going to kind of detangle my hair. And although it looks like I'm pulling my hair out, you guys, I will literally show you the comb once I am done and in between the process. And I had literally one strand of hair. I'm sorry. I had only one strand of hair that came out. So do not think that I am just pulling all my hair out because I am not. And I'm about to show you guys one strand at the very end. And I did not take any of this out. This is straight raw footage, one strand of hair. So let me go ahead back to this video and I'm going to just detangle my hair and try to stretch it out so that I am able to put it in a low, sleek ponytail since I did have it half up, half down previously in a wash and go style. So now that my hair is done for the most part, I am not drenching my hair, but I am kind of softening it up with some water and just brushing it back. I know I'm always stressing to you that you should not brush your hair when it is wet, but my hair is not drenched. Again, it's just kind of damp just to get the formation of how I want my hair to be. And you guys know I love my side pieces, so I am going to pull out my sides just to curl at the end, just to add some little flavor to my hair. And my hair is super curly, which is why I do not put a lot of water in. A little bit of water goes a long ways in my hair. And I'm going to go in with my Eco Gel. Again, feel free to alter or change your gel if you are going against Eco Styling Gel as of now. I'm going to get a good generous amount and I'm just going to slick down my edges on both sides. And I will show you guys how Eco in my hair literally makes my hair wavy and curly. So I do not need a lot of gel. Just that little bit has slicked my hair down with just using my hands. So I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to start sliding it back and smoothing it out. Feel free to add more gel if you need to. Like I said, my hair is super thin, so I don't really need much gel. But feel free to add more gel if you feel like your hair requires more. You would know your hair more than I would know your hair. And just a quick little fun random thought. I always called this my civilian military bun. I feel like the women in the military, they all rock this bun. And I used to be so obsessed with it because it would be so sleek and like laid to the gods, but my hair was never as full. So I always use the donut method, using the socks to make my hair look like the little military bun. So now that that little small thing is out there, I'm going to go in with one of my hair ties and I'm going to secure my hair. I'm going to try to make it as tight as I can, but not too tight so that I have a headache. But you want this to be super secure because you're going to be adding that heavy donut on next. And you're going to literally put your hand through that hole and slide your hair through the hole so that you can start forming your civilian military bun if you are not a part of the military, or your military bun if you are. So I like to pick at it just because my hair is not smooth, because I typically do this on blow dried hair, and my hair is obviously over a year without heat. So once you get it to really smooth and how you like it, you just grab an extra hair tie and you secure that bun in place. Feel free to get some gel and slick down any type of frizz that you may have. But you're going to go in again with another hair tie after you have tucked in the loose ends of your hair. You're going to follow the same exact step again and grab another hair tie just to secure it and make sure that it is tight. And as you guys see, I do have some frizz and I will eventually go over it again with some gel. So this is my third hair tie and I will do my last one, double the knot, or I should say like I wrap it around twice, again to make sure that my bun is secure. It looks like it's tight, but you guys, once it finally popped around, it was super loose. And this is basically the final look, aside from me going in to do my edges and my sides. And literally, you guys, I put nothing on my side pieces of hair. I just put a little bit of water and I just play with my hair and start twirling it. And it typically on its own gives me a perfect curl. I will show you guys at the end. And so I'm just going to repeat this exact same step to both sides. And then I will go in and show you guys how I smooth down and pull out my edges / baby hairs. But if you guys remember the donut bun, give this video a thumbs up. This is legit a throwback hairstyle, but it's super cute and it is very fun to do. I hope you guys like this video. Again, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment down below what you guys use to do your edges. Do you guys use a toothbrush, your hair? Do you use a spoolie from your makeup? What do you guys use? I tried to use the Edge Control toothbrush. Don't just think I went straight into a regular toothbrush to do my edges, but the Edge Control, or I'm sorry, the Edge brush with the one side toothbrush, the other side's a comb. That was too hard for my edges, and literally, like, my forehead was red. It laid my edges to the gods, but my forehead was like super red for like 15 minutes every time I did that because it was too hard on my head. So comment down below how you guys do your edges and what products you use for your edges. I only use Eco Styling Gel and Over the Top Hair Collections.